What is up, guys? It is my other video, and in today's video we're reacting to something. This is people getting struck by light, not get people getting struck by lightning, but like terrifying lightning strikes. This will be about 5 minutes long. But yeah, lightning strikes in 3, 2, 1. You can see the screen, and here we go. God, the lightning just literally struck that plane. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, did you just see that? It was so scary. Whoa. That just knocked down that tree. Let's knock down the tree. Let's knock down the tree. Oh my God, guys, it's so scary. It almost hit his windshield. I think it did. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I know I said it was gonna be 5 minutes. Never mind about that. But yes, guys. Yeah, and make sure you like, subscribe. I know it's not a lot, but we already got 2 subscribers, guys. You know, in a day, it's good. It's good though. In a day, it's good. And no one even knows about this channel. I don't know how they found it, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Love y'all. See ya. Bye.